Welcome, friend, is a OPPO Reno for Lite, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, simply hold the power key, and once you see the boot options, you want to slide down to power off. Now once the device shuts off, all you need to do now is hold power key and volume down till you see recovery mode at the bottom left corner of the display. Okay, and there we go. As you can see it's right here, this tiny little text. So once you see it, let go and simply wait for the language select. And then here, tap on the language that you wish to use, which I'm gonna use English. And there we go. We're in now the ColorOS recovery. And as you've seen, everything here can be accessed by simply tapping on it. And you can install updates either from storage or online, wipe data, reboot or power off. Now, wipe data has a couple options. If I can actually put my pattern. So we have the wipe data that doesn't wipe data because it retains contacts, messages and photos, and then we actually have the format, which does what wipe data normally does. And apart from that, that's about it. So if you want to leave it, you can choose either power off or reboot. I'm gonna go with reboot, so this will go back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.